Go.
Hello, I'm Horace Douty, pastor of the Oxford Presbyterian Church near Lexington, Virginia, and I'm doing another nature lesson. Today, I want to call your attention to two types of red clover, which is right here, and I'll tell you about it first. All clover has three leaves. It's called trefoil, and some have four, as you know in the song Four-Leaf Clover. But clover is a legume. It is a plant that is good for the soil. When you have clover in your lawn, you're fortunate because clover is putting nitrogen in, fixing nitrogen and making your soil richer. So don't try to destroy your clover, especially your white clover, which is low to the ground and grows everywhere. And honeybees love clover, probably more honey is made from clover than anything else. And you will see clover growing sometimes so thick and heavy that the white clover will look like snow and the red clover just looks like a blue carpet. But it is wonderful food, forage, in total digestive nutrient for animals, farm animals. But all clover here in this part of the world can be eaten. I can eat this clover raw or cooked or cured, dried. As a matter of fact, when I was a young fellow forking hay down out of the hayloft for cattle, I learned that I could grab a handful of dried clover hay and eat it for breakfast. It was wonderful stuff. It's good for you, good for the world, good for your animals. That is your nature lesson for today. White clover and red clover.